If you use Lucidchart for flowcharts, org charts, or process diagrams, one small setting can make your diagrams much easier to read: line jumps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add line jumps in Lucidchart so crossing connectors are easier to understand and your diagrams look more polished and professional. This is a super useful tip if you work with crowded diagrams, lots of connectors, or overlapping shapes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software how-to videos. Let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and go to the canvas where your diagram is built. To turn on line jumps for overlapping connectors, right-click on any empty area of the canvas. When the menu appears, click Document Settings. This is where Lucidchart keeps diagram-wide options that affect how your lines and objects display. Once Document Settings opens, look for the Line Settings section, or in some versions, it may simply be labeled Lines. Inside that area, find the Show Line Jump switch and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, Lucidchart will automatically add line jumps anywhere one connector crosses over another. That means instead of making the lines look like they intersect or merge together, Lucidchart adds a clean little bridge so the crossing is visually clear. This is especially helpful in complex diagrams where multiple connections overlap. Without line jumps, it can be hard to tell whether two lines are actually connected or just crossing each other. With line jumps turned on, your diagram instantly becomes easier to read and much more professional looking. Now, if you want more control over the appearance of your line jumps, Lucidchart also gives you options for individual line adjustments. For more specific visual changes, you can select a line and adjust its jump behavior manually. Depending on the version and settings available, you may be able to choose the direction or placement, such as vertical, horizontal, top, or bottom. That lets you fine-tune exactly how the line jump appears in your diagram. You can also choose different jump styles. For example, Lucidchart may let you switch between round, gap, or square jump styles. Round jumps create a smooth, curved look. Gap-style jumps make the crossing look open and minimal. Square jumps give a sharper, more structured appearance. The best choice depends on the style of your diagram and how formal or technical you want it to look. If your diagram is very busy, I recommend turning on line jumps first at the document level, so every crossing is handled automatically. Then, if needed, go back and adjust individual lines for a cleaner final result. That way, you save time and keep the diagram consistent. To recap, the fastest way to add line jumps in Lucidchart is to right-click an empty space on the canvas, open Document Settings, find Line Settings or Lines, and switch on Show Line Jumps. From there, Lucidchart will automatically display jumps on overlapping connectors. And if you want more customization, you can adjust individual line jump direction and style for a more tailored look. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.